After the area is prepared, locate your center and start lines using the 3-4-5 method or carpenter's square. If the tiles have arrows on the backside, these should always be pointed in the same direction. Begin installing from the center of the room, following the start lines. Always start with a clean, dry surface and back trowel using a flat steel trowel. For the starting row, peel back the protective film 12 inches along the starting side of the tile. Place the exposed adhesive into position, then fold back the tile. Make sure you clean off your chalk lines to ensure the bond with the O2O and remove the remaining protective film. Then place the remaining section into position. Do not stretch or distort the tile during placement. It may be helpful to remove the protective film in 3 sections if placement is difficult. For large rooms, the starter row should be at least 5 tiles to allow for a pyramid installation. To continue the installation, start with a corner of the tile and peel the protective film as needed, usually 12 inches from the corner. Install the exposed adhesive corner first, and then remove the film from one half and align the edge with the previously installed tile. Finally, remove the remaining film and position the opposite edge of the tile to meet the adjacent installed tile. Tile corners must be lined up together. Nora nTx tiles will not always fall exactly in line with the adjacent tile without manipulation of the edges due to the immediate grab of the nora nTx adhesive. The outside 2 rows of tiles can be dry-fitting cut to the wall by overlapping the tiles. Then use the nora knife to trace cut the tile below. Once cut, swap the 2 tiles so the shorter tile is against the wall. It's not uncommon to have to slightly stretch or compress the tile to keep its corners in line. Warmer conditions will make the nora nTx adhesive bond faster. Removing the protective film in smaller sections will help with placement of tiles in these conditions. When completed, use a 100 to 150 pound roller on the entire area.